Okay, chapter 3 is also all about graphing. So there's vertical lines, horizontal lines, or there's diagonal lines. So this this question says graph the linear equation, and it just tells me that x is equal to -7. So it gives me a graph, so I'm going to go and I'm going to look for my x-axis because it's x equals -7. So here's my x-axis, so I'm going to go to where x is -7. So careful, it goes by 2's here, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means -7 is going to be right there. Now I'm going to make my dot just a little bit bigger. Okay, so that is where -7 is. That's where x is -7. And I've got to make sure that anywhere else on that graph, my x is always going to be -7. So if I look, this would be -7, 1. This would be -7, 2. This would be -7, 3. This would be -7, 4. It doesn't, I don't care what my y's are, but all of my x's have to be -7. So in other words, all of these points that are right here are where my -7 is going to be. So I can take this and then I can just draw a vertical line at where x equals 7, -7, and that's what my graph of that particular line would look like.